SeaWorld Orlando is thrilled to announce the official opening of its groundbreaking, dynamic and immersive Arctic experience, Expedition Odyssey. This first of its kind attraction combines cutting-edge ride technology, breathtaking all real-world footage and close-up encounters with Arctic wildlife to deliver the most immersive Arctic experience ever created. As guests disembark from the ride, the breathtaking adventure continues with face-to-face and up-close encounters with real Arctic animals, including beluga whales, seals and walruses. Expedition Odyssey, an exhilarating Arctic adventure, takes riders on a journey through towering glaciers, vast tundras and the icy depths of the Arctic Ocean. Along the way, guests will encounter some of the planet's most awe-inspiring wildlife. This attraction seamlessly blends simulation and reality, creating an unforgettable experience for all with next generation dynamic motion and all real visuals, where thrill ride meets real Arctic. Embark on an exhilarating adventure with Expedition Odyssey, the next generation ride system that offers unparalleled range of dynamic motion. Experience fluidity and realism as you soar, swoop, dive and glide through the air. Exclusive all real custom shot video footage captured in remote Arctic locations provides unmatched authenticity, immersing guests in breathtaking encounters with iconic animals like polar bears, orcas, beluga whales, seals, walruses and more. Designed to amaze, entertain and inspire adventurers of all ages, Expedition Odyssey continues SeaWorld Orlando's tradition of family-friendly thrills. With a height requirement of only 39 inches. Kids and adults alike can embark on this unforgettable Arctic expedition together. Enjoy this cool, thrilling escape for the entire family, rain or shine, all year round. Guests have the unique opportunity to transition from the thrill of the rides to reality of interacting with Arctic animals at SeaWorld. They'll encounter beluga whales, seals and walruses. Among the amazing animals is Yuki, an orphaned Pacific walrus calf rescued in Alaska. Rescued by the Alaskan Sea Life Center and deemed non-releasable last fall, Yuki arrived at SeaWorld Orlando last September. Since then, dedicated animal care specialists at SeaWorld have been nurturing and supporting her growth. Now Yuki has joined the walrus herd in Expedition Odyssey's meticulously crafted Arctic habitat, providing guests with a rare and meaningful connection with this extraordinarily animal ambassador. And now here's a few words from Rob McNicholas, Vice President of Operations, and Connor Carr, Director, Rides and Engineering.
We are here today at SeaWorld Orlando's newest attraction, Expedition Odyssey, the world's first immersive Arctic experience where we will come in this great video screen, seeing the animals' real footage, and then when you exit, you come face to face with those same animals. So let's go ahead and get this ride started.
This is going to be cool. I'm excited for this. This is going to be really good. Yeah.
All right, so one of the great things about this attraction is we actually are in this position and then we rotate into the theater. It's the first of its kind here in North America, and the guests behind us are enjoying it. They're about to rotate back into this room and disembark while we go out into this theater. So, Connor, let's talk a little bit about what makes this ride so cool.
Yeah, this ride is truly one of a kind. As you see, as the ride begins, we're surrounded in the aurora, one of the most iconic features of this Arctic wilderness. This reveal is unbelievable. I'm so jealous of the people that are getting off right now, having experienced this before us. But this incredible new dynamic motion attraction is really going to give this one-of-a-kind experience that not just shows you the Arctic, but takes you to the Arctic on an all-new, as Rob said, immersive, dynamic, one-of-a-kind, and not just with any footage, but true, real, live footage of the animals in their natural habitat. It's just something that, and we're starting, and I already can't believe what I'm seeing. It really is amazing.
So we're going to go up this mountain and back down. You'll feel the wind moving. You could feel you are in the Arctic. You know, in the hot Florida summer, which is almost year-round. Here we go. This is a great escape.
Wow. Truly one-of-a-kind fisheries. Look at the animals.
One of the favorite animals here at SeaWorld, the blue whales. They are the sea canaries of the ocean. They make so many fun noises. They're social, they're playful, and when you get off the ride, you get to see them in person.
And I can't wait for that. Wow. And oh man, this is one of the moments I've been waiting for the most. True up-close encounters. There is a polar bear right here. I mean, I can touch it. I mean, it is as close as anybody will ever get to one in your entire life. I mean, that was unbelievable. I can't believe we just saw that.
Oh, this is speeding up a little bit.
Holy cow, what's that? Oh, that looks like a waterfall in front of us.
We're about to go through.
Holy cow, look at that.
Oh, mist in your face. It felt real.
We didn't just see it, we just experienced that. That was unbelievable.
Wow. There's some polar bear again. And this is real footage. This polar bear, it must have known we were filming. It's sliding down the side of the snow. It's just pretty awesome.
Just the vastness of this region is unbelievable. You know, before, only elite explorers were able to come and see what we're seeing right now, and what you'll be able to see right here at SeaWorld Orlando. And we've never seen anything like this before.
Close to the ice, you feel you're really, really close. You're flying by the wind. It's exhilarating. It's really good. But you know, it's not too much. If you're not a big ride person, it's repeatable. It's family friendly. It has a 39-inch height requirement. So,
Unbelievable.
Little ones, this is for you. Grandma, come on out too.
Fun for the whole family. That's amazing.
Fast, going by this bank of ice. It is, it's beautiful. It's also just, it's exhilarating here. It's really, really cool.
It's fun, it's up-close encounters, it's dynamic adventure. I mean, like we said before, we're not just showing you the Arctic, we are taking you there. And we're not just taking you there by yourself, but we are taking you there with your friends and your family. Because as we always say here at SeaWorld, the best memories are those that are created and shared together. And that's really what we're seeing here right now and what we're experiencing.
Connor, we've been flying the whole time, but I think it's time we go underwater.
Under the water. Wow, look at that dive. There is a humpback whale at full size in front of us. I mean, I've never seen anything like that before in my entire life.
This is pond of killer whales. You are immersed with them. And it's killer whales in the park. You can see them here. You can see them, and you're right so close. It is just, it's remarkable.
Wow. And not just killer whales, but killer whales at a scale and a quantity. I mean, right now we are in the middle of a pod of real killer whale. This is real. I mean, I don't think I've ever seen this many surrounding me at one time. We are swimming with killer whales right now. That's amazing.
We have top service yet. And we
I think it's about to get exciting again.
maybe a little more mist here if you like. You feel like just get out of the water, back up the ice. It's really amazing. It's a great attraction.
This is unbelievable. You know what's amazing? Holy cow! We just saw the animals traversing the ice. We just saw the animals under the water, and what an amazing finale. I mean, now we see it all together. It is all one place. All of these animals, all these landscapes are all together. And that place is right here at SeaWorld Orlando.
So, we're going to twist back to the station, get off, and then we're going to go see these animals in person. Go to SeaWorldOrlando.com for all the information. We can't wait to see you at the park.
Absolutely.
So, what's your thoughts about Expedition Odyssey, SeaWorld Orlando's newest offering? Comment down below, as we'd love to hear your thoughts. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell and share with your friends and family, as this really helps the channel grow. Want even more Orlando, Florida updates? Don't forget to check out our website that covers everything that's happening here in Orlando, Florida. It's gottagoorlando.com. Now get out there and go and make some memories. And before I go, don't forget to check out these 2 videos right here. And we hope to see you soon on our next video. Bye!